Alright, welcome to another exciting Packet Tracer. This is Packet Tracer 5.3.5. Okay, try again. 5.3.3.3. Why? Why this? Anyways, it's about using the Cisco iOS show commands, which it sounds a little bit fancier than it is. Just some commands. So, what it wants us to do first is open up. We want to connect into the router somehow with this doohickey, this blue doohickey here, called a console port cable. And if we were actually on desktop, we'd go to desktop, and we'd have PuTTY or something to connect to the terminal, some sort of program, a terminal emulator, whatever. And go in here, everything looks good, and click enter, push enter, smash enter to get in. Now we're in the ISP router. So you can see this baby right here through the console cord. And what it wants us to do are some show commands, which basically show you information that's in the router and the server and the network as a whole. We can type them in. So let's try the first one, which I believe is show ARP. We're connected to the router. That's to enable, or just EN if you watched my previous video, or EN tab. Oh, cool, that works too. Alright. And now we're in privilege exec mode. So let's do the first one here. Show ARP. Alright, you can see our internet's address, our IP address is 209.165.201.1. Hardware address or MAC address is that. Type ARP-A, and fast Ethernet 0/0 is what router we're in, what router configuration we're in. And now it wants us to type show flash. We didn't get flashed. Right, that's not what it was for. So here's the file, system flash directory, file 1, length this many, and name status that. It's how many bytes used, how many available, and how many total, both of them together, with addition, something you learn in math. And this shows us the kilobytes processor speed, flash speed, read-write speed. Now it wants us to do show IP, route. It'll show us the hops between, or no, sorry, that's tracer T. I'm wrong. So this shows us what is subnetted, how many subnets there are. So it's telling us 209.165.201.0/27 is subnetted. 27 is the number maximum subnets there. And it says that we're directly connected to fast Ethernet 0/0. Now let's show interfaces. So as you can see here, we have quite a few interfaces on the network. If you really needed to see something and you really wanted to go through here and not be more specific, you could read through this, possibly, I don't know, whatever people do when they read. Couldn't think of anything witty. But as I don't want to do that, you can either push enter to go one line at a time, readable, or you can push space. That's a whole page at a time. Of course, it won't go this fast. If you were just doing it actually in real life, it would go a bit slower. Anyways, that has nothing to do with anything. Next, we want to go to show protocols. Internet protocol routing is enabled. Plus a bunch of other stuff that, or nothing yet. You can go through here line by line again if you want. You can see it shows fast Ethernet 0/0, it's up. Line protocol is up. 0/1 is administratively down. Line protocol is down. VLAN 1, administratively down. Line protocol is down. And I just push enter a bunch of times. Look at that. Alright. Next it wants to do show users. Looks like just one user. And that's us. And we're idle. Show version. This shows a version of our router software. It's 1841. Lots of other stuff. If you broke it, then you can go to the website for technical support. It was compiled today. No, it was compiled tomorrow. How is that possible? They must be in the future somehow. Now, so it shows the system bootstrap version. This product contains cryptographic features and is subject to United States and local country laws on importing, exporting, transferring, and use. This is just usage rights. If you want to read that, I'll give you some time to read it. No, I'm just joking. Read it on your own time. And I think that's the last version. It's the last show command it wants us to do. So if you ever want to do these again, now you know them. You sure know them. And now you can't unknow them. Just joking. You should know them. Okay, I'm done. Okay, check results. You did it. Alright. Thank you. It was a good time for me. It was a good time for you. Goodbye.